From the very beginning, architecture and science have both been keen on pushing their own boundaries. Mankind has always liked erecting tall buildings that have outdone previous ones and set new records. A series of shrines, cathedrals, skyscrapers, and radio towers have followed one after the other through history. Still, what Dubai has dreamt to create is the very pinnacle of high-tech architecture. The Burj Khalifa scrapes the sky at 828 meters. It had barely taken 6 years to construct it when the luxurious skyscraper opened its doors in 2010. Workers, construction managers, and engineers spent a total of 22 million hours on completing the Burj Khalifa. Construction turned out to be rather challenging, as concrete had never been pumped to such heights. Due to the extraordinary mass of the edifice, the entire structure is under enormous pressure. These conditions did not make the lives of the engineers any easier. Although earthquakes pose little danger in Dubai, the building must bear the effects of other extreme natural phenomena. Strong winds, sandstorms, and temperatures around 50 degrees Celsius. All these have to be dealt with on a daily basis. Thanks to the massive structure and the painstaking design, the top of the building only sways 1.2 meters. A staircase of 3,000 steps leads to the top. There is a more effective way to get there, though. The elevator travels from the ground floor to the 125th floor in 1 minute. This is a world record, as there is no faster elevator in the world. The 160-story Burj Khalifa houses mostly hotel rooms, offices, and high-end penthouses. The building is naturally intended for those who can afford it. What's more, the world's highest mosque, swimming pool, and observation deck are all here too. One can even see 97 kilometers away from the top of the building. 2 countries fall into this range of vision: certain islands of Iran and some mountains of Oman. The tallest point of the Burj Khalifa is colder by 10 degrees Celsius than its ground floor. Theoretically, if someone dropped their phone from the top, the device would hit the ground after 13 seconds of free fall. If we shouted after it, our voice, which travels at the speed of sound, would take 2.5 seconds for someone on the ground to hear it. One of the most spectacular attractions of the Burj Khalifa is the musical fountain, which shoots water 150 meters in the air, higher than the top of the previous record-holding edifice, the Great Pyramid of Giza. These records almost defy the laws of physics. The many world records, the elegance, and the miracles of engineering all have their cost. The tallest skyscraper itself cost $4 billion, while the brand new downtown Dubai district around the building cost $20 billion. That is roughly twice the amount of the costs of holding the Summer Olympics. It might seem a lot at first. However, the costs of downtown Dubai are still a fraction of the NASA lunar program from long ago, which, at current rates, would be around $150 billion.